I recently purchased the 80 color set of PanPastels and found they were extremely difficult to work with because they take up quite a bit of space. So I came up with this technique of where I got this 4-tier cooling rack on Amazon, and I just put one of each tray on each of the tiers. And since they stack, it takes up less space than one TV tray. And then I just pull out the trays as I need them, and I find it much easier to work with. Then when I'm finished, I just put the trays back in the box that the PanPastels came in. The trays collapse down, the cooling racks collapse down, except for the bottom one. I've kept in the open position because it tends to collapse. And so I've secured it in the open position with zip ties. And then the other trays just disassemble and then they collapse. And so I put everything in the box, and then I just put the folded trays on top. And then I also purchased this storage box at the Dollar Tree, and I just store all of my PanPastel tools in this box. And then everything stores nice and neatly on the storage shelf when not in use. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.